Hey, good morning. Wanted to get a little bit more specific about some irrigation concepts here. So I'm in my front yard working on my own drip system, and you can see I'm coming up to the hose bib right here. This controls water coming up from the city water. Because I have city water, I don't have a filter on there, but in most farm situations you're going to want to have an inline filter. So then I've just got a splitter which goes to my garden hose and to my drip setup here. I have a very simple timer. This is the cheapest type version. The digital ones that you can program manually are much better. Then you've got the pressure reducer. You can see here it's a 10 psi reducer. This is for drip. You want to be running somewhere in the 8 to 15 psi. 10 is the most common one you'll encounter. And then it goes right into my tubing. So I'm using what's called 600. It's a small size, about 5/8 of an inch. There's 5/8, 3/4, metric sizes, all different kinds. You just have to choose one unit size and make sure you get things that match. So over here, I wanted to show you some of the other tools. This is the inline filter. This guy, you can drain it by flipping that valve. This is the actual filter that goes inside. It's easy to clean. You take this out, spray it out, and when you put that thing together, just goes inside, screws in, and that's your inline filter. That'll come right off your water source, so that you've got filtered water, no gunk getting into your pressure reducer, getting into your timer, or of course clogging up your drip lines down the line. Other things you'll need: PVC cutter, right? Possible tools. This is a little connector for connecting two pieces of drip tape. If you get a rip, you can use something like this to put it back together. Thread tape for all your threaded connections, and the punch, because I'm going to be putting in some barbed valves into my mainline header, and you can use this to create the hole that will do that.